Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. Right now we're here in Clark International Airport. So we're gonna show you where's the parking lot and what they used here to go to airport.
Yes, arrival and departure in airport. This is new terminal 2.
So if you got a parking and bus station, you need to turn left.
Yes, left and parking.
And then straight is departure, and then right is arrival. And then turn left is already for people arrival, and then right side is for VIP.
Yes, it's straight VIP. Weather before have big rain.
Yes.
So many taxi. Blue taxi.
So it's easy for here to take some blue taxi here.
Yes.
And bus station.
Yes. Bus station. This is bus station. Yeah. We not allowed go inside. People who meet only outside the airport. Parking. This is parking.
But it's not easy to find that parking lot.
Yeah, really not easy. 50 peso entrance parking for car and 30 peso for motor.
Oh, careful because of the dog. Maybe they picked up. This is bus premium point to point
from Manila to Clark Airport.
Thank you for watching our small video. So don't forget to like and comment what you want to comment. So we're going to home right now. Salamat. Thank you.
I hope this video is interesting for people who won't come to the Philippines and Clark Airport.